You go run.
I'm not gonna run down this hill with my big old belly.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Wide load coming through. Beep, beep, beep. Wait. I'm coming.
The water looks so pretty.
Did it fall off? I couldn't see. Oh.
It fell down.
Whoops.
Guys, that's a poop. It's from him. But no, it's probably from like a sea turtle or something.
Britt keeps on making me come down to take pictures of her.
Not making him.
And it'll be sunny for like 4 seconds and then the clouds will come back, so.
It's so funny because it's not sunny, it's sunny.
Yeah.
And then over there it's sunny, that mountain. It's sunny. And then
Yeah,
it's
so
like
there's just like a cloud hanging out on top of us.
right here.
It is cloudy right now, so it still looks pretty because we live in Hawaii, but. Throw your dang phone. Okay, and then it's about to get sunny, so I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's sunny. Okay, and then this is sunny now, so you can see it's like more sparkly in the water, I guess. This is what we want all the time. Yeah, that right there.